Though the kiwi is about the size of an egg, it's a type of berry also known as Chinese gooseberry. And this fuzzy little fruit, originally from China, is a nutritional powerhouse. Like most fruit, kiwi is loaded with vitamins and minerals your body needs. But kiwi has some health-boosting properties that many other fruits can't beat. And the natural compounds in kiwi could improve your gut health. Here are health benefits of eating kiwis every day. Number 1. Provides vitamin E. But most Americans aren't getting enough vitamin E in their diet. This vitamin is an important nutrient for your immune system and heart health. Vitamin E helps widen blood vessels, lowering your risk of a heart attack or stroke. One kiwi contains 7% of your recommended daily amount of vitamin E. Kiwi is one of the few fruits that contain a good amount of vitamin E. The vitamin E in kiwi is very bioavailable, so your body can easily use it. To get your full recommended daily amount of vitamin E, add nuts, seeds or oils like wheat germ and safflower oil to your diet. Number 2. Helps maintain gut health. Fiber, the indigestible part of plant foods, keeps your digestion running smoothly. Kiwi is an excellent source of fiber, with 5 grams in a 1-cup serving. Much of its fiber is in the skin, so just wash and cut, don't peel, your kiwi. Kiwi could have gut benefits that you won't find in many other foods. Research has shown that eating kiwi adds bulk to your stool so it can move through your colon more easily, reduces bloating and digestive discomfort, softens your stool so it's more comfortable to pass, speeds up poop's journey through your colon. Number 3. High in vitamin C. Oranges get all the glory when it comes to vitamin C, but a single kiwi will deliver more of this nutrient than 2 oranges. Vitamin C boosts your immune system so it can fight off illnesses, fights fatigue, helps your body absorb iron, which you need to make red blood cells, so oxygen can travel to your organs and tissues, makes collagen in your skin, which helps wounds heal and keeps your skin looking younger. Vitamin C deficiency is rare in the US today, but many people still don't get the optimal amount. Number 4. Antioxidant power. Because it contains vitamin C and vitamin E, kiwi is also a great source of antioxidants. These nutrients fight cell damage caused by free radicals, which come from the sun's rays, air pollution and daily living. Getting antioxidants in your diet can clean up some of that free radical damage and boost your health. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like kiwi can reduce your risk of diseases, including some cancers and heart conditions. Get your antioxidants from whole fruits and vegetables, not supplements. We don't have proof that supplements can prevent disease like natural antioxidants in fruits and vegetables can. Number 5. Rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K flies under the radar. It's often not listed on the nutrition facts panel. But despite its stealth status, it's an important nutrient. Vitamin K helps keep bones strong and lowers your risk of osteoporosis. Vitamin K may also help you prevent coronary artery disease, a leading cause of heart attack and heart failure. Number 6. Good source of potassium. Your heart, kidneys, muscles and nerves need potassium to function properly. And many people in the US aren't getting enough of this important electrolyte. But one kiwi delivers 215 milligrams of potassium, more than double the amount in a tablespoon of peanut butter or a cup of iceberg lettuce. Getting potassium in your diet could lower your risk of cardiovascular conditions like high blood pressure and stroke, kidney stones, osteoporosis, type 2 diabetes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.